Now what is the information regarding subtotal? For creating a subtotal, what we need is, first we have to put this information as, suppose I'm selecting as item and I'm selecting rate. Take an example. Now what the subtotal will do? Subtotal will completely merge all this content and make an individual total of it. Like if I take an example of pencil, then pen, then rubber, then color. Okay, now if I put a rate, like the pencil cost is 5 rupees, the pen cost is 50 rupees, the rubber cost is 10 rupee, and color cost is 150 rupee. Now you will find an individual total of it. How? If you select this, if you click on data, go to this subtotal. Now it will ask what do you want to select and what will be the function of it. Like if you want to make a count, average, minimum, maximum, or product. Now if you want to make a sum of rate, because we are not checking this item. Why? Because if we click item, the item is written in character. Okay, there is no number in it, so rate is having a different number, so we can sum this. If we click on this item, the result will be 0. So if I click OK, see, automatically the subtotal has occurred. If we stretch this, see, number 1 is a grand total. Now let me color this so it becomes easier for you to understand. If I click on number 2, see all the totals of it, and number 3 the individual of it, like pencil 5 rupee, pen. So that means what it's doing, say if I click on 0, now if I click on 0, if I click on 0, if I click on 0, so if I put a total like 150 rupee, then pencil is 5 rupee, okay, then pen is suppose 10 rupee, rubber is suppose 5 rupee. Got it? See, what is the total? Now this will calculate everything. Okay, this is the information of subtotal.